Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aquarius, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Alright. So this is your current energy, Aquarius, and this is your partner's current energy. All right, Aquarius people, you guys are done with something in life. Okay, it could be your relationship with this person, it could be your job, it could be your career or finances or something. You are somebody who is done with something in life. With this Four of Swords card, it seems like you have given up on something, and that's why you are just taking your time off. Okay, you are just taking your own time to heal yourself. You are just trying to sleep. Okay, at this point of time you are just completely focusing on your mental peace, on your growth, on your healing. Okay, and for some of you Aquarius, you are trying to ignore some situation, you are trying to ignore some person, you are trying to ignore some certain things in your life. Okay, because you feel that the moment you'll stand up, you'll definitely going to create a big fight. So you do not want to be into any kind of war thing or any kind of fight zone. Okay, so you are choosing to ignore certain things. All right, on the other hand, we have the Hierophant. This is your partner's current energy. Aquarius, your person must be talking to a lot of people right now. Okay, they must be taking guidance from people, they must be talking about you with people. Okay, that what is happening, why my Aquarius is not talking to me, why they are ignoring me, why they are not entertaining me, something like that. Or it could also happen that your person must be talking to other persons or other people regarding their job, regarding their career, regarding their finances, regarding their life expansion. So some discussion is going on. It could also happen that your person must be talking within their family and friends about you, that hey, this person is not talking to me, this person is not entertaining me, this person is not taking any action towards me, what should I do? Okay, so this is your partner's current energy, Aquarius. Now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them, or this relationship. Harmony. This card belongs to you, Aquarius, because you are being somebody who has closed your eyes. And at this point of time, I told you in the beginning that you are working towards your own healing. So it means that you are just trying to focus your energies into you. Okay, you do not want to waste your energies on anybody. And it seems like you are doing some kind of a meditation or some sort of some kind of a healing thing, or you must be taking some healing therapies as well, because you genuinely want peace in your life. Okay, your heart chakra is open now, and eventually your third eye chakra is also going to open. Okay, and you need to be rest assured, because you are somebody who is protected by divine. Now I'm going to pull 3 cards for you, Aquarius, to check what your person thinks about you, what action they are taking towards you in current time, and what actions they'll be taking towards you in future. Change, experiencing, postponement. Okay, Aquarius, your person is seeing you as somebody who is going through a change cycle. Okay, I told you that you are working on your healing. So your person knows that you are going through some transition time. Okay, some transformation is happening for you in this time. Okay, and this is the reason you have isolated yourself with everybody. You have cut the connections with with everyone, and even with your partner as well, because this is the time for you to change. Divine has planned each and everything for you, just to make you understand that now it is your time to change your mentality, your life patterns, your thinking, your behavior. Okay, on the other hand, right now, if I talk about this card experiencing, Aquarius, um, your person, um, Your person must be feeling sorry about something, or I don't know, but this card is saying to me that this person is standing just right beside this tree. It means this person must have, talked with a lot of people, or it could also happen that they are waiting for you. The moment you will be healed, they feel that the moment you will be healed, they will definitely come and talk to you. So it seems like they are waiting outside just to know when you are done, so then they can connect with you. Okay, and in due course of time they must be experiencing a lot of things in their life. Okay, perhaps they must be talking to a lot of people in their life to just to know what is happening with you. Okay, and it seems like you won't be able to free, or you won't be able to think in a same way, the way you think right now, or the way you are thinking right now, because after the transformation journey ends for you, you are definitely going to be a completely a new person. And I feel that at that point of time you won't be required this person anymore. So it seems like your person must be missing all the old time which they had experienced with you. Okay, all the good time which they had cherished with you. Okay, and that thing is definitely going to create this energy of postponement in their life. Okay, the moment you will be out from this healing thing or transformation thing, you will be completely a new person, and they would feel how this could happen, that my Aquarius has changed. Okay, so that thing is definitely going to hurt them a lot, but this is something which is good for you, Aquarius, so you need not to put questions on that thing. Okay, now let's see what angels are asking you to do right now. What angels are asking you to do right now. What angels are asking you to do right now. Meditation brings answer. Oh my god, I told you the same thing, that you are going through some meditation thing or some healing things. I tell you, the more you will meditate, the more you will get answers of your questions. Why am I going through such phases? Why am I experiencing this? Why am I feeling this thing or that thing or blah blah blah? All your questions will be answered by meditation only. Keep meditating. Okay, okay, so Aquarius, I feel that some of you could be dealing with another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Four of Swords and with this postponement card. Some of you could be dealing with Taurus with this Hierophant card. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Harmony. Some of you could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this experiencing card. Alright, so Aquarius, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.